Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. Today, guys, inshallah, we'll take lesson 7, convert customary units of capacity. Convert customary units of capacity, page 839. Page 839. So open your books there, please, page 839. Prepare your books. We are on this lesson, guys, convert customary units of capacity. All of you go there. 839. Now, I want someone to read with me here. We need to know the definition of the capacity. Who can read, guys? Ziyad, read ya Ziyad.
Yes,
Yalla.
mister, I will read. Capacity is the measure of how much a container can hold, just like
Good.
length and width.
Wait. Is how much a container can hold. Means, for example, this bottle of water, guys, capacity of it is how much water we can put inside it. This is what we call it capacity. For example, this room here, this room, how much space we have in this room, how much things we can put inside it. So how much a container can hold, we call it capacity. Mute yourself, Yabni. We call it capacity, guys. Okay, so capacity means volume, how much we can put inside. Okay, thank you, Ziyad. Now, what are the customary units of capacity? We have these units, guys. Let's talk about them here. Now, C means cup. C means cup. Customary unit. C means cup. FL space OZ means fluid ounce. FLOZ means fluid ounce. And how we write it, guys? We write it between brackets and a space between them. FL for a fluid, OZ for ounce. So C معناها cup, FLOZ means fluid ounce. PT means pint. PT means pint. QT means quart. QT means quart. GAL means gallon. Gallon. GAL means gallon. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. We call them customary units of capacity. Now, what are the formulas which we need to use for today? These are the formulas which we need to use this day. And these formulas are written in your book here, guys. In the K concept. See them? Now, let's see the first one in your book. Who can read with me? The first one. Karine.
Yes, mister. One
Yalla.
cup equal 8 fluid ounces.
Good. Look here, guys. 1C means 1 cup equal 8 fluid ounces. Okay? The second one, ya Karine, read. In your book.
1 pint equal 2 cup.
Or
one pint equal 2
يا
cup.
بنقرأ الثاني اقرأها أيوة equal how much
2 cup.
equal كمان how much
16 fluid ounces.
so I hear guys I make it into 2 parts 1 pint equal 2 cups and 1 pint equal 16 fluid ounce so it is one formula in your book but I wrote it here 2 formulas it's better to use or easier to use. So you can write it like this in your book. It's better for you. Better for you. Question 3 يا ابني read. 1 pint equals 16. بعدين
1 quart equal 2 pint equal 32 fluid ounces.
In the book they wrote 1 quart equal 2 pint equal 32 fluid ounces. I make them 2. 1 quart equal 2 and 1 quart equal 32 fluid ounces. Last one.
1 gallon equal 4 quart equal 128 fluid ounces.
Also, I make them two formulas. 1 gallon equal 4 quart and 1 gallon equal 128 fluid ounce. These are, guys, the units or the formulas which we need, and these are the shortcuts for each unit. Now, if you remember, guys, also, we said the unit with 1 is bigger than the unit with the number. Like here, the 1 cup is bigger than the 1 fluid ounce. The 1 pint is bigger than the cup. The 1 pint is bigger than the fluid ounce. The 1 quart is bigger than the pint. Means here to the right, to the left, sorry, they are the bigger, and here the smaller, okay? And if you remember in the previous two lessons, we said from to convert from bigger to smaller, what we do, who can tell me? We do multiply, we did that, right? And from smaller to bigger, also we do what? Always we do divide. This is our way, right? For example, if I want to turn from pint to fluid ounce, from bigger to smaller, we multiply by 16. If I want to turn from pint to quart, from smaller to bigger, we divide by 2. And we did this idea in the previous two lessons. Now we will do the same. We will do the same. So, as examples for you guys, I will do for you the first three questions in page 840. So we are on page 840. Please focus with me. I'll do question 1, question 2, and the question 3. Let's start with the question 1. In question 1, they wrote complete 3 cup in a fluid ounce. 3 cup, how much in a fluid ounce? Now, I will search about the formula between the cup and the fluid ounce. The first one, I want to turn from cup to fluid ounce. From bigger to smaller, I multiply by 8. So here to find how many fluid ounces in 3 cups, what we will do, we will multiply by 8. So here 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. So if each 1 cup hold 8 fluid ounces, 3 cup will hold 24 fluid ounces. This is question 1. How about question 2? Question 2, they want from me to turn from a quart to cup. For a quart, how much in cups? For a quart, QT means a quart. For a quart, how much in cups? Let's search here about a formula between a quart and cup. And please, guys, focus with me. This is a new idea. We don't have any formula between a quart and cups. We don't have any formula between quarts and cups. So what I will do, guys, I will go here, for example, I will go from a quart to pint, then I'll use this from pint to cup. Why I will do two formulas? Because I don't have direct one between a quart and cup. There is no one. If you search, there is no quart and cup at the same formula. So what I will do here, I will go from a quart to pint and from pint to cup. Or I have another way, from a quart to fluid ounce and from a fluid ounce to cup. We can do more than one way. I'll do the first one, from a quart to pint, then from pint to cup, to get the answer in cup they wanted. How we turn from a quart to pint? By multiplying with 2. So the first step, I'll multiply this 4 by 2 here. It is 8. 8 what? I turn the quart to pint, 8 pint. Now I can turn the pint to what? 2 cups. How? By multiplying with 2 also. So 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16 cups. So for a quarter, how many cups? 16 cups. This is question 2. Question 3. We want to turn from pint to quart. 18 pint. How much in a quart? Where is the formula between pint and the quart? Number 4. I want to turn from pint to quart. From smaller to bigger, I will divide by 2. So here 18 divided by 2 is 9 quarts. So if we have direct formula, we use it. But if we don't, we can use more than one until I get my answer. These are 3 questions. Consider them as example for how we use these formulas. Now let's go to page 841 together to solve some exercises. And if you have any questions, I will answer you during solving these exercises. We are on page 841 now. And we will do the odd numbers. We will do the odd, and what you will do, the even as exercises in your home. Yeah, the odd. So I will start with the question 5. Who can help me with the question 5? Yeah. Ibrahim. 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 طيب. زياد. زيد.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا زيد. Do you understand يا زيد?
Yes.
يلا. Read for me question 5. What we have?
Okay, 19 quarts.
19 quarts. How much in?
A gallon.
Gallon.
Then
And
another line, quarts.
a quart. Good. We said if we have something like this, we put the remainder here. Remember?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I want to turn it from a quart to where?
To gallon.
To gallon.
To gallon.
Do we have a quart and gallon here? Yes. Hey, from
Yes,
a quart to gallon. What we do?
divide.
From smaller to bigger, we divide by how much?
By 4.
By 4. Now, the 19 can divide on 4?
19 divide 4. Yes, I think so.
How much?
Okay. 4 multiply 4.
4, because 5 gives you 2
Yes.
16, still 3, right?
Yes.
So, how many gallons in 19 quarts?
4 and the
4.
4 and
And
the
the
3
third
quarts.
remainder, 3 quarts, we put it here.
4 and the 3 quarts.
Exactly. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Good boy. This is question 5, guys. We make long division and the remainder we put it extra for the quart. Now let's do question 7. We said we will do the odd numbers and you will do the even numbers in your home. After Kareem. Yes, Kareem. Just check your mics, please. Kareem, yes.
Yes, mister.
I don't understand.
Which one? Question 5?
Yes.
Question 5. How we turn from a quart to gallon? Hey, quart, gallon. How we turn them between a quart to gallon? How?
We divide.
Divide by what? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
احكي معي يا ابني. From a quart to gallon. You said we divide. Divide by what?
4 and 1.
divide by 4 يا ابني. ايش دخل ال1 هذه؟ انساها. divide by what؟
4.
يلا 19 divided by 4. ها هاي 19 divided by 4. You know how we divide, right?
Yes.
Now this for the gallon and the remainder for the extra quart. Get it? Because we have remainder here. See? Do you understand it now?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, read for me question 7.
22 fluid ounce equals space cup space fluid ounce.
Good. Huh. 22 fluid ounce equal cup and fluid ounce, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We want to turn fluid ounce to where?
To cup.
Yeah. How we turn fluid ounce to cups? How? The first formula. How?
We divide
Divide by what يا ابني?
22 divided 8.
بالتالي 22 divided by 8. Let's make division. 22. How much 22 divided by 8? Do you know?
Yes.
How much?
2.
2. It can be 22 exactly, or it has remainder.
It has remainder.
That's why they give you this another one. Get it?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's divide 22 by 8. Normal division. 22 divided by 8. It is 2, as you said. 16. 22 minus 16 is how much?
6.
So we have remainder 6, right?
Yeah.
So how many cups we have in the 22 fluid ounce? How many cups?
2.
2 cups. Mumtaz. And the still remainder for fluid ounce is how much?
6.
6. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Question 9 now. Question 9. Ahmed Aysar.
Sir, I want to answer and I have a question.
Ask me first.
If we have 15 cups and he wants, I mean, if we have 2 gallons, 2
2
gallons,
gallons.
and he tell me he wants the load ounces, what I have to do?
The fluid ounces from gallon to fluid ounces.
Yes.
We have one. High gallon to fluid ounces. From bigger to smaller, we multiply with 128.
Okay.
صح?
Yes.
Yeah. Read the question 9.
Question 9. 7 cups equal space paint.
Pent. From cups to pent. Where is it from cups to pent?
From cups to paint.
Do we have?
From
Yes.
smaller
From cup to pent. What we do?
we divide
By what?
by 8.
I 8 يا زلمة.
No, I mean by 2.
By 2. 7 divided by 2. يلا.
7
صح؟
divided by 2 equal 3. Equal 6. 6 minus 7 equal 1. So first.
So we have remainder. Do we have extra space here to put the remainder like the previous 2 last questions?
No.
No. So here we make mixed number. What's the mixed number? Remember?
Yes. 3 and 1/2.
Mumtaz. 3 and 1/2 pence. This is question 9. Question 11. Omar Adnan. Read.
25 gallon.
How much in a quart صح؟
Yes.
يلا 25 gallon. How much in a quart?
Quart.
So in a turn from gallon to quart. Do we have from gallon to quart?
Yes.
Which one?
6. 1 gallon
Yeah.
equal 4
1
quart.
gallon equal 4 quarts. From gallon to quart, what we do?
Multiply
By what?
by 4.
Yeah. So we have 25 multiplied by 4. How much?
Equal 100.
Equal 100 a quart. ممتاز. Question 13. Question 13. Kinan.
Yes, Mister.
يلا يا كنان. Read the question 13.
13. 55 quart equal gallon.
55 a quart. How much in what?
Gallon.
Gallon, right? This is the quart and the gallon. I want to turn from a quart to gallon. What I will do, ya Kinan?
Divided by 4.
Mumtaz. Divided by 4. Let's divide it by 4. 56 a quart, not 5. صح?
Yes.
So we divide by what you said? By 4. Let's divide. Yalla. 56 divided by 4. Let's make long division. Yalla. 56 divided by 4. Do you know how to divide?
1.
1, 4, subtract 1, 16, 4.
14.
So what's the answer?
14.
It is 14. No remainder. So 56 a quart is 14 gallon. Stop. I want to do another question in this idea, guys. Question 12. See question 12, guys. Who can help me with the question 12? Question 12, even number. Who can tell me question 12? Mohannad.
Yes, Mister. Question
Read the
12.
question 12.
58 pence equal
58
gallon.
pence in gallon, right?
Yes.
58 pence, we want to turn it to gallon, right?
Exactly.
Now, do we have a formula between pence and gallon here?
Yes.
Where is it? Which one? From pence to gallon?
No, sorry, we don't.
We don't. At this case, what we do, ya Muhammad, do you know?
We
I want to go
take
from
from
pence
pence
to
with
gallon.
quarter, then from quarter to gallon.
Mumtaz. So from pence to gallon, guys, we don't have formula between pence and gallon here. How I will go from pence to gallon? I will go from pence to quart, then a quart to gallon. Not a quarter, a quart. No
Okay,
ER,
sorry,
quart. So from pence to quart, then from a quart to gallon, right?
Gallon. Yes.
Yeah, let's turn from pence to quart first. How?
We divide on 2.
Mumtaz. So 58, we divided it by 2.
2.
Yeah.
It will be
58
29.
divided by 2 equals 29. Ish. 29 what?
Quart.
Quart. We turn the pence to quart. Now I want to turn the quart to where?
To gallon. So
How?
we will divide on 4.
Yeah. So 29 now divided by 4.
Yes.
Make long
It will
division.
be-
It has remainder. 29 divided by 4. 7. 28. Subtract 1, right?
Yes.
So it is 7 and 1 over what?
4.
So the
And
answer
we
is how
don't
much?
have a second line, so we will put mix number 7 and
Exactly.
1 over 4 with no
So why I
remainder.
choose this question, guys? Because it has no formula. To tell you what we will do if we have no formula, we will use two formulas sometimes to get our answer.
Yes, exactly.
This is a question 12. Now let's compare, guys. Remember how we compare? Abdul Rahman. Yalla, we did 13. Now we'll do question 15. 15. We said we'll do the odd numbers. Mute يا mute yourself. Question 15 يا عبد الرحمن.
Yes, Mister.
يلا read question 15. What we have?
Wait, Mister. Number 12 is wrong.
كيف wrongism?
Not
68. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I will fix it. مش مشكلة.
It will be 8.5.
ممتاز. 68 guys مش مشكلة. يمكن I hear مهند wrong. It's okay. 68. So we divide the 68 here by 2. It will be what?
8.5.
No, 68 divided by 2. It will be 34.
34, yep. I thought.
Now 34 divided by 4. Fix it, guys. Fix it. It is 8.5. Yes. ممتاز يا عبد الرحمن. It is 8.5. It's okay. مش مشكلة. So it is 68, not 58. That's why the answers will change. But it's correct. Now let's do question 13. Yeah.
13.
Sorry, 15. 15. يلا read يا ابني.
1.75 gallon and 10
Compared with
10 pence.
S
10 pence.
10 pence.
Yes.
يلا. When I compare the gallon and the pence. Right.
The gallon, it will be 9
Do we
and a
have
half.
gallon and pence? Wait, do we have gallon and pence here?
Gallon and pence.
No, we don't have.
Yes, we don't have.
But we can change the gallon to quart and the quart to pence, right?
Yes.
How we change the gallon to quart? The gallon to quart, we multiply by 4, right?
Yes.
So 1.75 multiplied by 4 equal. Let's multiply. We know how to multiply with decimal, right?
Yes.
1.75 multiplied with 4 is 7. Now I want to turn the 7 quart to what?
To pence.
By multiplying with what?
2.
With 2. So 7 multiplied 2 is how much? 14 pence. Now look here. We have 14 pence and 10 pence. Which one is bigger?
The 14 pence.
Which is 1.75, right?
Yes.
Good. This is question 15. Let's do another comparing one. Question 17. Who can help me with the question 17? Imran.
Yes, mister.
يلا يا عمران. Question 17. read بسرعة.
3 gallons, 3 quarts.
3 gallon with what?
3
يا ابني 3 gallon with what?
13 QT.
13 quart. QT
Quarts.
means a quart, 13 quarts, okay?
Yes.
Now, can we compare if we have different units?
Yes.
No, we cannot. We cannot compare because we have different units. What we need to
Yes.
do, we
We
turn the
need-
bigger to smaller. The
Yes.
gallon to what? To quart. Yalla, how we turn the gallon to quart? Do you know?
Multiply 4.
Mumtaz. So 3 multiply 4 here, it will turn the gallon to quart. It is a 12 a quart. Which one is bigger? 12 a quart or 13 a quart?
13 quarts.
13 a quart is bigger. This is question 17. Question 19, the last one.
Yes, mister.
Ibrahim, question 19, read.
Okay. 300 fluid ounce and 2 gallon.
Good. Can we turn, if we have different units, can we compare?
No.
No. What we need to do, we have fluid ounce and gallon. What we need to do, this is the formula.
Fluid ounce and gallon. We'll go to the second formula. 1 gallon equals 128 fluid ounce.
Good. So we turn the gallon to fluid ounce. How? By multiplying with what?
128.
Yeah, this is the gallon. I turn the bigger to smaller, guys, because it's easier. 2 multiply 128 equals how much? Let's multiply.
Let's multiply.
156 fluid ounce, right?
Yeah.
So here we have 300, here 156. Which one is bigger?
The 300 fluid ounce.
The 300 fluid ounce is bigger. This is the lesson of how to convert customary units of capacity. I will send these exercises in your inbox to study it more. Do the even numbers, don't forget that. I did a question 12 for you, and do the even numbers. Do your homework. Guys, tomorrow you don't have online assignment tomorrow, because at Sunday, what you have in Sunday? You have the second monthly test. So I'll give you free time tomorrow, no online assignment, so you keep studying on your monthly test by using your study portion. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. Thank you so much and have a good day.